symphonies play, a rhythm is born, a melody woven till the veil of morn. A night becomes their sacred stage, where love writes verses on passion's page. Each touch ignites a spark divine, a whispered song, a celestial sign. Fingers trace paths like threads of fire, binding their souls in a web of desire. Their breaths compose an ancient hymn, a tune both tender and fierce within. Heartbeat strung to a cadence rare, a music created for only despair. The silver moon, a witness above, bathes them in light, a gift of love. Each movement flows in a timeless stream, a living echo of a dream within a dream. The thrill compares to that fleeting sound, a symphony where true love is found. It rises, it soars, then softly subsides, yet in its wake forever abides. For in their dance the cosmos align, a sensual magic both mortal and divine. Though it fades like the stars with the coming of day, its memory lingers forever to stay. A tune both tender and fierce within. Heartbeat strong to a cadence rare, a music created for only this pair. The silver moon, a witness above, bathes them in light, a gift of love. Each movement flows in a timeless stream, a living echo of a dream within a dream. Within a dream. Within a dream. Within a dream. Nothing compares to that fleeting sound, a symphony where true love is found. It rises, it soars, then softly subsides, yet in its wake forever abides. For in their dance the cosmos align, a sensual magic both mortal and divine. Though it fades like the stars with the coming of day, its memory lingers forever to stay.